Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to set automatically delete files in Recycle Bin and Downloads folder on Windows. Click Start, Settings, click Storage. Turn on Storage Sense. Click Storage Sense. Change options under Run Storage Sense. Change options under Delete Files in My Recycle Bin. Delete files in my Downloads folder if they have not been opened for more than Click Run Storage Sense now. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.